Okay, so we are going to discuss about inspect objects at checkpoints. So I'm going to launch my Trailhead playground so we can go hands-on and just do this. And I'm going to launch this and open my developer console like that. I'm going to open the Apex class email mission specialist. All right, let's open that file. Open. It's a class email mission specialist, and I'm going to hit open or double click here. There we have it. So let's see, there we have a checkpoint there already. Now let's change log levels to finest. You remember from the previous one? So debug at the bottom, change log levels, and then this one is we are going to make Apex code finest. Done. Right, move on. Now we are going to put a checkpoint which is a red dot on line 15 there. Inspect results. All right, and then we are going to actually run the code here. So I'm gonna close that and close that. Oh, this is the other one. Let me see. There. So 12, I'm gonna, not 12, line 15, I'm gonna click that, making a red button for a checkpoint. So now when I actually run this, debug execute anonymous, and run this particular code, right? And I'm going to execute that. Once that is executed, you can go to your checkpoints tab there. See? And click on here. It's going to pop up the checkpoints tab, heaps and symbols. So basically this is to debug further of your code. I personally rarely do this, but if you need it, you now know that this is available for you for debugging further. So example, if I click on here, you can see the address, the memory address it uses. The size is 4 bytes there. If I click, you can see success true, errors, if there is any errors, and there's there. So send email message. This is the address of the memory address. You can see the fields and the values there as well, right? And you can go there and go there, and there's nothing there. And then you can go to symbols, and you can also drill down here. The results, success, true, and then the mail, right? The to address, value, student@zone.io here, as you can see. So this is for further debugging. Okay, so I'm going to flip back to the trail. So we've talked about that. We've talked about the checkpoint inspector. So you can click that and you can see the memory or the instance memory address and the state of it, all the available field and values. And then the symbols tab is a quick tab and a simple way to review the states of various objects at any checkpoint. Symbols are unique names that reference particular objects. So this means what we were doing is when we put a checkpoint on line 15, right? This is what happens on line 15 only. So at this exact line, what is the state of everything? What do you want to know at this line, right? This is helpful when you're coding and there's something wrong and you're not sure what's going on at particular line. What happens at the on here? So you put a checkpoint and you see your debug parameters here, and you can see what's going on. So that would give you insights on what to do next. what caused an error, what caused your code to be slower than expected, especially when you're processing 1 million records and a particular line hogs up everything. So you want to debug it further. No? Okay, that's pretty much it. So if I flip back here, and next on, we've talked about the challenge. You can, add your own additional checkpoint and see what's going on line 6 there, particularly. And that's it. I'll see you on the next video where we're going to take the challenge together, basically doing the same thing that we just did here. Okay? Bada bing, bada boom. Hit that subscribe button and explore new Trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video, and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.